Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright everyone, you don't know who this already, this is the Skilla. Now I have something to present to you that take place in a Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica, where a mother and her 3 kids were traveling and a car hit down the 3 kids. You see me I say, now we're not certain what happened to the mother. However, may I try to make sure so you know that this video might not show certain things, but viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, even though you're listening. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button to stay up to date. Let me know what you think at the same time. Alright? Observe.
So basically what happened is that down at KFC, right there, so some children were crossing the street with their mother, and a man was speeding up the road, like full on speeding, and hit the kids. Seeing all of them. Now he hit the kids and him stop. And one of them, the oldest one, she under the car, like him lick her down and she mash up and then her hand under the car, and then the man reverse on her hand. Is him like like him never have no kind of regard for him. Reverse on her, drive over her hand again, and I believe it was the same for the other child, which was an 8-year-old. But the people, the bystanders and thing, them run for the help, and you know they thought the man was going to come out of the car because him stopped. Only for him drive up, shoot off, drive over the child again, 2 of them again, and drive past them up the top road. Now, you might have mentioned, I said that it's top road block off. Zane, because the man speed go top road and I realize the traffic is up there. So what happened now is that him drive go top road, and the mother of the children are saying, "Where's my baby?" She thought in front of KFC, she asks the people who were helping her, you know, "Where's my baby? Where's my baby? Where's my baby? I don't see my baby." Only, you know, they must say the 8-year-old, they said the 15-year-old. Only for them realize that there was a baby, brother. And yeah, there was a baby. And the man, in his haste to get away from the scene, him dragged with the baby under the car all the way up the top road. And now, before I go any further, let me just say that at this time, all 3 of the children are fine. They're not fine. They're at the hospital. They're not dead. I don't know what the status is, but the 15-year-old, the oldest one, is mangled. Her arm is mangled. The 8-year-old, I don't know the status of the 8-year-old. The baby, there's a lot of blood, but they said the baby was not. Yeah, they were saying that the baby was not dead, but they couldn't tell whether or not the injuries were life-threatening. But the baby was dragged from KFC to round about the entrance to Montego Prep. So